wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best food choppers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. The Hamilton Beach Stack features a quality glass bowl that resists stains and scratches. With a simple press-to-chop operation, it minces and purees in a jiffy, and its 3-cup capacity is rather impressive given its compact design. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, and both the bowl and blade are dishwasher safe. However, it doesn't cut ingredients evenly. At number 9, with its patented horizontal pull handle, the Chef and veggichop is one of the few hand-powered options that affords you enough leverage to break through ice. It has an airtight lid, so you can even store your guacamole or hummus in it when you're finished blending. The lid locks down firmly, and it operates with almost no noise, but it does require some strength to pull the string. Coming in at number 8 on our list. The compact yet powerful Ninja Express is a potent slicer and mincer with blending and chopping capabilities, which make it a highly versatile option. It has an anti-spill splash guard for serving sauces and dressings without creating a mess. It comes with a non-slip base and a BPA-free container. However, the blades dull easily. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food choppers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, preparing your ingredients just the way you like them is simple with the efficient Pampered Chef Cutting Edge, which allows you to dice large chunks of vegetables for a delicious stew, or mince onion and garlic down to a near puree for a pasta sauce. It features a blade that stays sharp for years, a sturdy removable rubber base, and a form-fitting handle. Moving up our list to number 6. Slicing fruits and vegetables will go from hard work to an easy task with the brieftons blender, which features sharp stainless steel blades and an easy pull cord. Maintenance is painless as it's simple to dismantle, and most of the components are dishwasher safe. It comes with a gentle soft grip lid and offers 4 cup size options. It includes 3 downloadable recipe books. Halfway up our list at number 5. Convenient and consistent, the Fullstar Slicer Pro is designed to eliminate the need for bulky cooking equipment and help save space in your kitchen. It's made of strong ABS plastic with separate blades for chopping up soft and hard foods. It comes with a spiralizer attachment, blades that snap in and out easily, and a money-back guarantee. At number 4, the multi-blade zyliss manual processor is helpful when you want to dice and blend multiple ingredients quickly and effectively. It can hold up to 25 ounces, with special arms on the top and bottom to keep food from sticking to the inside of the bowl. This one's ideal for salsas and smoothies, and is equipped with an easy-to-pull 2-foot cord. It sports an attractive minimalist design. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. With 7 different functions, the Ultra Chef Express does it all. It has triple-bladed attachments for slicing, shredding and grating, and even comes with a citrus juicer. Its durable, oversized crank makes quick work of tough vegetables, hard cheeses, and even nuts. The blades are made from surgical steel, and it's easy to take apart and clean. The sealed bowl contains odors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food choppers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, designed to cut through anything you throw at it in just one slice, the Müeller Cutter Pro is more powerful than it looks. It's made of high-quality BPA-free plastic and even reduces onion vapors, so you won't have to worry about your dinner guests accusing you of crying. It comes with a cleaning brush, a durable 4-cup container, and all dishwasher-safe parts. And taking the top spot on our list. Once you load up the ingredients and secure the lid, the Cuisinart Plus does the rest of the work for you. It's very powerful and grinds up food quickly, and is equipped with dishwasher-safe components and a handy touchpad that makes things easy to control. Its steel blades are reversible and is backed by an 18-month warranty. It includes a spatula too. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for food choppers, or simply click beneath this video.